how to use Zapier with Discord. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can use Discord with Zapier. So let's get into it. So first things first, what you want to do is you want to create a Zap, and to do that, just simply click on this create button at the left side and click on Zaps. And over here you can go ahead and use the AI if you want to, but it's actually pretty simple to go with the manual version. So let's take YouTube for example. Let's say I have a Discord and I have a community on Discord. And whenever I post a video on YouTube, I want my community to be notified. So over here, we'll choose new video, select the account, allow it, and there we go. After that, we'll choose a trigger. And over here, you can add in a username, click on continue. Now, to test the trigger, you need to upload a video onto your YouTube channel. So make sure you upload a video because that is the only way that it's going to work. But for now, I think we'll skip the test and we'll skip the test for now. There you go. And then it'll have all these different details, right? We'll click on continue. Then we will choose Discord over here. We'll select Discord. Over here, we choose an event. Over here, we go with a send a channel message or direct message. We're going to go with the channel message. Click on continue. Now we just simply sign in to our Discord account and we select the server and we click on continue. Give it all these permissions. And once that's done, we should be good to go. There you go. And click on continue. Now we just simply select the channel, right? We select the channel that we want. And over here, just enter in the title, or you can go with a new video or a thumbnail or whatever you want. Just simply go ahead and title build your first app with Zapier or youtube.com. It depends on you. You can go with anything you want. For now, we'll just go with this random title. Choose a username. If you want, we can go with false. Text to speech, we'll go with false. Bot name, we don't really need it, but you know what, we'll add anything you want. And after that, you can add a bot icon if you want to, but then just simply click on continue and then skip the test. Of course, you can test it, but as I said before, you're going to have to upload the video, and that is it. Once you're done, you are good to go, and that is how you use it. That is how you use Discord with Zapier. So thank you guys for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.